Ever needed to quickly log out of your X, formerly Twitter, account on Android? Don't worry, it only takes a few simple taps and I'll guide you through it step by step. Opening the X app on your Android phone. Make sure you're already inside your account. Now look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This will open the side menu where all the main options are listed. Scroll down slowly until you find Settings and Support. Tap on it and it will expand more options. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. This is the main control center for your account where you can manage security, privacy, and login settings. Next, tap on Your Account at the top of the screen. After that, select Account Information. This section contains details about your profile and login status. Now scroll all the way down. At the bottom, you will see a red option that says Log Out. Tap on it. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure you want to log out. Just confirm by tapping Log Out or OK. Within seconds, you will be signed out of your X account on that device. If you have more than one account logged in, you'll need to repeat the same steps for each one. You're now safely logged out of X on Android in just a few easy steps.